Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another video by your girl here, Big Bubbly Beauty. So yes, I'm in a different location because we are going to be decorating the back wall of my normal filming location. So admittedly it's kind of dirty right now, so don't judge me too hard. My desk is a mess, but I'm gonna give you a behind the scenes look. So this is my filming wall right now. It is very blank and boring, and like my desk is absolutely a mess. You can see some packages right there of stuff that I haven't unboxed yet on the channel, or like swimsuits. There's a swimsuit haul coming soon. And then of course the goodies in the closet that are for upcoming hauls, just some random unboxing products from subscription boxes and beauty. This is where I do my makeup as well. So just like my microphone and tripod and ring light. Anyways, see that blank wall right behind there? That boring blank wall? Yeah, that's what we're gonna change today. I'd gotten a few comments about things that I could do to change it up, or that they really love this wall right here, which is admittedly a bit of my pride and joy, not gonna lie. This took a long time to do, and I really love sitting behind it, or in front of it, not behind it, you can't really sit behind a wall. I love sitting in front of it to film my K-pop reactions, and it is really a gorgeous filming background. Now I did put it up too high, so I'm gonna learn from my mistake when I make this new filming background, because most of this goes up way too high, which is good for outfit try-ons, not so great for music video reactions, where like you mostly get to see just this portion of it, not so much like that portion. It does go up pretty high. So I kind of learned from my mistake, and I'm gonna put the background lower, and it's gonna be a bit weird because there is a shelf, so it's gonna be hung lower than a normal shelf should be hung. So it's gonna look a little odd when you walk in the room, but then when I set up the camera, it will make a lot of sense. So anyways, let's get decorating, I guess. This is gonna be a first for me. I've never done like a decorating or decor thing on my channel, so we're just gonna try it. First off, of course, you have to have the right tools, not the computer. That's not a tool. Well, that's a tool for editing. But this is my big chunky tower that I love to edit videos on if I'm in this room. And then if I have my laptop as well that I edit most of my videos on too. Anyways, I have my drill, which is a Metabo HPT, no idea, but it's a very good drill. Some drill bits here. These are just some hanging things in case I want to hang extra decor at the end of things. You got a sneak peek of these, but these are little things that are gonna go up on the shelves. So they're fake, but they're little succulent stuff. And painter's tape, which is necessary, a level, a hammer, a stud finder. Oh, that went off. And the goods are underneath my cute little doggo right now. He is sitting on my storage ottoman, so he's gonna have to move. I'm sorry, buddy. You're gonna have to move. And voila, it opens up to reveal the shelves that have been in there for, I don't want to say how long, but they've been in there for a while. So let's get them out and let's hang them up. Who think I might have been mean to my dog by kicking him off of the ottoman? I put him on my chair and he's very happy. Very, very happy. So this here is the first shelf that I want to hang. Now, I learned a trick from the Sorry Girls where I'm going to put some painter's tape on the back of this and just mark where these holes are supposed to go. So that's our first step. So you can see here, the tape's just all the way along it. So I'm going to circle where the little screw holes are, and then we're going to put that on the wall. Okay, so with this filming wall, I don't want to be able to hit my head on it. So I want it at least up here, so that like if I go bonk, I'm not going to hit my head. But I do want it still to be in the shot. Can I actually hit my hand there? I don't think I can. So we'll just do it on top of that. And that way it's kind of on the top of the shot. So I just have my little pencil here. Just gonna make a mark on the wall. All right, let's get to hanging. So I just stuck up the tape and I leveled it with the level. So that way this line is level. If it doesn't look level on camera, that's because my camera is not level. I'm going to check for studs. Always check for studs before you try to drill. Okay, so see with the stud finder, it's hitting that one a little awkwardly, so I'm gonna actually shift it over so that way it's not partially hitting a stud. So that's why it's good to find the studs. And now I'm just gonna double check about the studs. I am choosing to miss studs on purpose because I have drywall anchors. Now you could always screw into the stud if you wanted to make it very sturdy. This is going to be just a purely decorative shelf, so I don't really give a flip if there's a stud or not, as long as I have my drywall anchors, and you want your drywall anchors. So now I'm going to drill in my holes. So they went in super easy. Okay. So now that I have my holes, you just rip off your painter's tape and you're good to go. Screwdriver. I've been burned with trying to screw, like you can screw these in with the drill, but I have been burned by that before. So I just prefer to screw them in by hand. So sometimes it can go a little wrong. So don't do what I did. Then next, you just screw these little brackets in because that's how this one works. And now, if I did it right, the shelf should fit. Well, that didn't really go according to plan. She's a little tilted. So these are just the Kaleidos Futurism palettes, and they are absolutely stunning, which is why they are up here. I think they're gorgeous and they need to be displayed. This piece I'm not sure about keeping up here, but it's just this cute little souvenir I got. It's a little turtle, the little flappy head. And it's just adorable. And this here is a magazine that an old high school friend of mine actually, who I don't know if she knows I have a channel or not, and we haven't talked since high school really. We were more acquaintances, but anyway, she had this magazine that was called Gal Pals and fake geek girls like us. So I really loved the artwork, and so I bought a copy and I want to display it because it's gorgeous. I think I'm gonna change this little thingy out for that little candle. Yeah, that's a bit better. Next set of shelves. Okay, so next I have these gorgeous triangle things. I don't really know what to call them, but I'm gonna hang one on either side, like so. Okay, and yes, I did hang these purposefully uneven so that it would balance out the unevenness of the shelf a wee bit. I need a little bit more. I need a little bit more on these things. So my partner came in and helped me fix the shelf, and now it's much more level. It doesn't look like a pretty fix, but as you can see, much more level. Oh, I'm a mess. Yeah, I think I like that. Okay, so that's part of it done. Oh, thank Christ. Haha! Yay! So I can move all the way back, which is nice. Wondering if I want something to go right here. Kind of like here maybe? Behind me? Like a print or something? Right now that's not bad. That's not bad at all for a filming background. I'm thinking of hanging some prints behind me, so that way if they get hit by the chair, it doesn't really matter because they're just paper. But I really like that so far. Cool. So I think I've picked out the two pieces that I want. One is this Yeren and Shinbi of G-Friend. And then this is a print from, it's an artist's depiction of Spirited Away. So it is gorgeous. And I've always wanted this in a filming background. It reminds me of my childhood so much. I'm thinking that's gonna go on this side, right about there. Yeah, right there. Probably a good spot for it. Up there might be better, kind of directly behind my head. Can't really see them that well. This one needs to come out more, I think. So it kind of has to be a space for me. And then I just need one more right here. And one more right there. Okay, so now I have the last two pieces. I have this one of Yuju and Ona, and this one of Sowon and Eunji. So this one's gonna go over here, and this one's gonna go over here, just because the lengths to help balance out the uneven shelves a little bit. All right, so it's time for the final reveal. Here we go. This is gonna be my new filming background. video, beautiful people. I hope you enjoyed. It was a bit of a mess. I know, it was kind of an absolute train wreck, but I think I liked how it turned out. Like, the end product is pretty good, I think. Anyways, let me know in the comments down below what you thought. It was definitely a learning process, let's say that. Definitely a learning process. So this will be my new background in future videos, so I hope you guys like it. At the end of the day, I hope you do like it, and if you liked it, please like the video, subscribe, and kind of watch my other videos. Leave a comment down below about what you think. Please be nice. It was a long process to try and do that. I am not a home reno channel whatsoever. I'm very sweaty, very warm, but it is done. So yay.